Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. This time I'm gonna try, like always, to make it as fast as I can. We're gonna do a negative space, with the difference that the paint we're gonna put in the middle of our negative space is gonna be full with silicone. I use silicone in spray that I spray in a cup beforehand. Then I take this same product, since it's more liquid, and I pour it in our acrylic. The black, we're gonna use black around our flip cup because we're gonna do a dirty flip cup. I'm gonna use the black, but only with water. I won't use any silicone in it. I don't think you don't have to, because it doesn't serve any purpose. You're gonna have black cells, so I don't think it matters. But we're going to use, as I said, a lot of silicone in our flip cup, which I think is going to give us nice cells and a nice finish. So let's go and try it, and let's come back at the end to talk about it. Let's go. Well guys, I don't know about you, but I think that the result is very nice. I think it's impressive. I don't know how to describe it, only by saying that it's like it's living. It's a living and breathing thing. As I'm speaking to you, it's changed, but it's changing a lot. What's nice about it is that there are black cells forming inside where we did our flip cup, inside our color, should I say. So I think it's very nice. I think we have very nice defined cells, which is, like I said, refreshing, because it's like a living and breathing thing. So I think it's nice. It's changing as I'm talking to you, but I think the result is going to be great. I think the result will be something that we didn't hope for or didn't think about. So that's what's nice about the dirty pouring or flip cup or whatever. You never know exactly what you're going to have as a result. That's what's nice about it. And I think that the result is always nice and gives you a professional finish. That's what's nice about it. So guys, I hope you enjoy. I hope you're going to try it, because it's quite easy. Like you saw, I did put a little bit too much black, that's for sure. Well, in a way that's a good thing, because that's one of the reasons that there's so much thing happening with our paint, with our acrylic and everything. So I think it's nice. So guys, like I say, I hope you enjoy. I hope you're gonna come back, and like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Okay guys, ciao.